How retirees can make money online effortlessly. Free profit automation webinar with Dr. Charles Edrams. Have you ever asked yourself this question? After all the years of working, all the effort, all the sacrifices, why does money still feel uncertain? If you're retired or close to retirement, this question can keep you awake at night. Because retirement was supposed to bring freedom, but instead, it brings stress. Bills don't retire. Emergencies don't wait. And income stops when work stops. That's where the Profit Automation Masterclass by Dr. Charles Edrams comes in. This course teaches you how to build systems that make money work for you, even while you sleep. No tech skills required. No complicated jargon. Just simple, proven strategies that anyone can follow. Step by step, you'll learn how to create consistent income streams, reduce dependence on daily work, scale your income using smart, ethical automation. You might be thinking, will this really work for me? That's normal. Most people are skeptical because they've tried things before that didn't work. But this course is built on real-world experience, tested automation systems, and proven results. You're not guessing, you're following a roadmap that works. The best part? Before you invest a dime, Dr. Charles Edrams is offering a free webinar class. In this webinar, you'll discover how profit automation really works, how to build income without stress or tech confusion, simple systems that actually produce results. No cost, no risk, just real, actionable knowledge. So here's your next step. Click the link in the video description below. Sign up for the free webinar by Dr. Charles Edrams. You've worked hard your whole life. Now it's time to let systems work for you. Click the link and take that first step toward financial freedom today.